What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, I'm here in the hybrid store, the combo store, the family Dollar Tree, or the family Dollar Tree store, whatever you want to call it. We're going to be looking at some Family Dollar items, and we're going to be looking at some $1 items. We have it both here, and I'm already finding new items. These are super cute and plastic. They're just little LED mini lights. Look at this one. Aww, so cute. These are so cute. And they're just over here right now. They're not even with the other items, but I wanted to do a quick scan to see if we have any other new Halloween items. And it looks like we have these $3 DIY kits. We also have $1 makeup. We have the $1 signs. I have to try to remember what I shared with you guys last time I was in here. I think some of these are new since I was here last. The Spooky Sweets canisters, $5. We have the pumpkin. We have the sugar skull. These are all $5. If I'm struggling just a little bit with my left arm, you guys, it's because I just got my flu shot and a tetanus shot. So the soreness is already kicking in, and I got them both in my left arm. Okay, you guys, let's go over here and see if they added anything to this aisle. This is the toy aisle and the card aisle. And we have cards starting at 50 cents, and they're all the Sentimental Studio cards. We have cards from 50 cents up to about, I want to say about $2. So everything's going to be super affordable. That is really nice to know. And then we have toys over here, mostly the Family Dollar toys. But then over here, you know you've made it to the Dollar Toys when you see the Dollar Tree signs. Play-Doh and various toys up here. These batteries are $3. I was hoping they were going to be $1. Okay. This is the party center area. Now, one thing that the combo stores are going to be focusing on is they're going to be focusing on bringing a lot of party items, decor, and seasonal items. That's what they're going to be doing in the stores that were previously Family Dollar but are now combo stores. They're going to be making sure that the areas that these stores are located in, which are typically smaller towns, have lots of the seasonal items and party items that they would normally have to travel for. And I'm just seeing so many $1 items over here. Banners, candles, so many things that Family Dollar didn't used to have, but now that it's a Family Dollar Tree, we just have so many more options. And it's really nice to see more variety. This area is little by little filling up with more craft items, and then an occasional $3 item, a Family Dollar item. Like we have tons of stickers for $1 items, but it's just not stocked up yet. $5 glue gun. Behind me, we have lots of school supplies, items that we normally see in Dollar Tree, the gem stickers. We have other stickers here, googly eyes, erasers, pencils. We have shipping supplies also. This store has a little clearance area over here. We have Ariel for $6.25, a big bag of Ariel with Downy. This is the pretty purple laundry powder. And then we have Foca for $4.85. That's the pretty blue powder if you're into mixing your own detergents. We have belts, shoes, Of course, these are all more so like the Family Dollar sort of items and not the Dollar Tree items. But as you guys see, they've extended the shelves. They used to stop about here. And so we have a bunch of extra real estate now. All of the shelves are much higher than they ever were before. We have baby items, baby food, some $1 items, not a whole lot though. Bottle brushes, bottles, the baby bottle nipples. We have a whole end cap here of baby items, onesies, sleepers, and little outfits. $8 for a little outfit. Shower curtain sets. I'm seeing a lot of new prints. The magnetic curtain liner for $3.25. This one's pretty heavy. I actually want to get a new one. Frost shower curtain. I want to get a new one. I always do the clear and the cloth because I really like the look of the cloth. I usually go for a clear. I don't know, this doesn't feel like it's very heavy though. 4 microfiber washcloths, face towels, what do you guys like to call them? We have some $5 bundles as well. And then we have between $10 and $13 bath rug sets. It's just a 2-piece set. We have a variety of textures. Some of them even come with a shower curtain. Nice. We have some $1 washcloths. We get 2 to a pack. It has the Dollar Tree sticker, but this is never anything we ever see in Dollar Tree. And then we also have the blue washcloths. We have a pinky peach, purple, burgundy. We have a lot of really nice, brilliant colors. These are $5 bath towels, pinks and blues. And behind me, we have socks, bags, hats. We have some clearance clothes. $3. And what is it? This is a side tie shirt for $3. We have some cute slippers up here, $5 slippers with the soft bottoms. Racks of clearance clothes, leggings, sweatshirts. Again, they really extended the shelving and changed the shelving. Everything is so much higher than it used to be. Everything is hanging off the ground just a little bit more. So if you're short like me, get ready to reach. But also get ready for a whole lot more to look at. These t-shirts are $8. These sweatshirts are $7. The hoodies are how much? $9. $9 hoodie. I'm gonna keep bringing you guys in as the store progresses. We have new signage and everything is placed totally different. Like this whole back wall is gonna be t-shirts, underwear, a lot of basics for men, women, girls, and boys. We have packs of underwear. We have bras, sports bras. We have a lot of rugs, welcome mats, runners, accent rugs. And then we have some area rugs as well, ranging from about $12 to $25. And then these ones up here range from about $8 to $10. I think we skipped this aisle. Oops. Okay, now this aisle is wax melt burners. Check me out at Bunny Birdy Gator if you guys want to see my wax melt burner series. We have wax melt burners. We have a lot of new candles, rainbow sprinkles, limoncello sparkle, pineapple dragon. These are all brand new. These are $5 candles and they're double wick. We also have Blooming Beautiful. But we have $1 items as well. $1 tea light candles, black cherry, emergency candles. We have some brand new wax melts up here. Delicate sweet pea, island fruit blend, cherry blossom, warm vanilla, and tropical, what? Tropical smoothie. We have a lot of new items in here, you guys. The top shelf over here also includes a lot of $1 items. And some of these brands we see in Dollar Tree, and some of these are definitely new, like vanilla cupcake. We have the Starlight candles, the Betty Crocker candles, Skittles and Starburst candles. Just so many over here, you guys. Look at all of these. Fresh squeeze lemonade, passion fruit tango, more $5 candles, white sangria, stress relief, focus and balance, midnight waters, blue cedar lavender. If you guys are into candles and you don't want to spend any more than $5, definitely come over here to the candle section and check these out. Give them a smell. We also have the fall candles. I mean, it's nice to know that you're not going to spend any more than $5 on a candle. Some are $1, and then they go all the way up to $5. But you guys, I planned on going live in here, and of course, by the time you guys watch this, I would have already gone live. But I want to go live in here because this is a brand new store. I'm super excited about it, and I want to bring attention to these combo stores. So I think going live is the best way to do that. That way you guys can let me know the sort of things you want to see on the spot, and I can show you guys a lot of these items. Anyways, you guys, I'm out of here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.